To access TSB Bank customer service, start by visiting the TSB Bank website or mobile app. From there, you can find the Contact Us section, which provides various options to get in touch with the customer service team. The first step is to determine the nature of your query, whether it is related to account management, loan applications, or general inquiries. This will help you choose the most suitable contact method. You can contact TSB Bank customer service by phone, where you will be greeted by an automated menu that directs you to the relevant department. Alternatively, you can use the live chat feature on the website or mobile app, which connects you with a customer service representative in real time. If you prefer to visit a branch in person, you can use the branch locator tool on the TSB Bank website to find your nearest branch in their operating hours. When contacting TSB Bank customer service, have your account details and any relevant documents ready to ensure a smooth and efficient resolution to your query. It is also recommended to keep a record of your conversation, including the date, time, and reference number, in case you need to follow up on your query. In addition to phone, live chat, and branch visits, TSB Bank also provides a comprehensive FAQ section on their website, which covers a range of topics and may help you find the answer to your question without needing to contact customer service. By following these steps and being prepared, you can quickly and easily access TSB Bank customer service and get the help you need. Remember to stay calm, be clear about your query, and provide all necessary information to ensure a positive and successful interaction with the customer service team.